Are you wondering if the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates in 2024? What could that mean for your savings, loans, and investments? More importantly, how can you prepare for what may be coming next? The decisions made by the Federal Reserve impact not only the economy, but also the everyday lives of millions of Americans. In recent years, the Federal Reserve has aggressively raised interest rates to combat inflation. These hikes have made borrowing more expensive. Think mortgages, car loans, and credit cards. In fact, the last couple of years have seen a rapid increase in the federal funds rate, moving from near zero levels to heights not seen in over a decade. But the big question remains, will the Fed pivot and cut rates in 2024? This discussion will explore why this matters and how it could impact financial futures for individuals and families across the nation. So, why would the Fed even consider cutting rates? Traditionally, the Fed lowers interest rates to stimulate the economy. When borrowing becomes cheaper, businesses and consumers are more likely to spend money, leading to increased economic activity. Lower rates can encourage investments in homes and businesses, which can boost employment and production. However, rate cuts usually occur when the economy shows signs of slowing down, or there are indications of a recession on the horizon. As of late 2023, inflation remains a pressing concern, but there is growing talk that the Fed might ease up on rates next year if the economy weakens, or if inflation continues to cool. Inflation rates, which spiked dramatically in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, have led to increased costs for goods and services, creating financial strain for many households. The Fed has a dual mandate: to control inflation while maximizing employment. If unemployment begins to rise, or if inflation stabilizes and begins to decline, rate cuts could very well be on the horizon. Now, let's examine the implications of a potential Fed rate cut for individuals. What happens if the Fed actually cuts rates? Understanding these outcomes is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Loans and mortgages get cheaper. For individuals planning to buy a home or refinance a mortgage, lower rates could be beneficial. A reduction in the federal funds rate typically leads to lower interest rates for mortgages, resulting in reduced monthly payments. This can make homeownership more accessible, especially for first-time buyers. The same applies to other types of loans. Car loans, student loans, and even credit cards could see reduced interest rates, although not always as quickly. For those considering a large purchase or refinancing existing debt, staying informed about rate changes is essential. Savings accounts and CDs. On the flip side, individuals with money in savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs, could face lower returns if rates are cut. In the past couple of years, many financial institutions have offered attractive rates on high-yield savings accounts. However, if the Federal Reserve eases up on rates, these yields could decline significantly. For savers, this means being prepared for potentially lower interest income. It may be time to evaluate other savings options or investment vehicles to maximize returns. Investing in stocks. Historically, rate cuts have been seen as a positive signal for the stock market. Lower interest rates make borrowing cheaper for businesses, allowing them to invest in growth initiatives, hire more employees, and increase production. As a result, stocks, particularly in sectors like technology and real estate, may experience gains. Investors often shift their money from low-yield bonds into equities, hoping to capitalize on the potential for higher returns. However, the stock market can be unpredictable, and it's essential to approach investments with a balanced strategy that considers both risk and opportunity. Economic growth and job market. Rate cuts can also lead to increased economic growth. When businesses can borrow more cheaply, they are more likely to invest in new projects, expand their operations, and hire more employees. This can lead to a reduction in unemployment rates and more job opportunities. For individuals entering the job market or seeking career advancement, a growing economy can provide more options and potentially better salaries. However, it is crucial to stay informed about the overall economic landscape, as rapid growth can also lead to inflationary pressures if not managed properly. Impact on consumer behavior. Lower interest rates can influence consumer behavior as well. When rates are low, people may feel more confident about spending. This can lead to increased sales in various sectors, including retail and automotive. Consumers may take advantage of lower borrowing costs to make significant purchases, driving economic growth. However, this consumer confidence can fluctuate based on broader economic conditions, so it's important to monitor trends and adjust spending habits accordingly. So, what actions can individuals take if they anticipate the Fed might cut rates in 2024? Here are some strategies to consider. Plan for refinancing. Homeowners should consider whether refinancing might be beneficial if rates drop. Keeping an eye on mortgage rates could save thousands over the life of a loan. It's advisable to consult with financial professionals to evaluate the potential savings and determine the best timing for refinancing. Diversify investments. Now may be a good time for investors to reassess their portfolios. While stocks might benefit from a rate cut, maintaining a balanced portfolio can help weather different economic conditions. Diversifying investments across various asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and real estate, can mitigate risks and enhance overall returns. Optimize savings strategy. If rates on savings accounts decline, exploring other options like treasury bonds or short-term investments that offer better returns during a low-rate environment could be worthwhile. Understanding the risks and benefits of each option is crucial for making informed decisions. Stay informed and flexible. The economic landscape is constantly changing, and staying informed about developments in monetary policy and economic indicators is essential. Being adaptable in financial planning can help individuals navigate uncertainties and seize opportunities as they arise. Ultimately, whether or not the Fed cuts rates will depend on economic performance in the coming months. However, staying informed and prepared is key to navigating these changes. Understanding how shifts in interest rates can impact personal finances enables individuals to make better decisions, whether it's refinancing a mortgage, investing in stocks, or managing savings. As this situation evolves, it's vital to keep a close eye on the Fed's announcements and economic data. Knowledge is power, and being proactive can lead to better financial outcomes. In conclusion, the potential for a Federal Reserve rate cut in 2024 brings both opportunities and challenges. Individuals must be aware of how these changes could affect their financial well-being and be ready to adapt their strategies accordingly. By remaining informed and flexible, it is possible to navigate the complexities of the financial landscape and make sound decisions for a secure financial future.